Hello guys,
Hi, this is Aarti from my page called Journey Within by Aarti.
and this is Shravya Kumar, and I am a therapist, a hypnotherapist, a tarot card reader, and a counselor. And today we're going to discuss something really interesting: the not to do's in the relationship.
Hi, can you see me? Hi, this is your host Aarti. So we have Shravya with us today, who's a counselor, and I am a therapist, a counselor, and a tarot card reader myself. So the topic we are discussing today is the not to do list in relationships.
Yes, and as a
Over to you,
relationship,
Shravya.
yeah, as a relationship counselor, I get a lot of couples who are not who understand a lot of things but are not able to apply it. So today we're going to discuss five topics. I mean, five tips that you can do in order to ignore fights or ignore conflicts in the relationship.
And have a healthy relationship, basically.
Correct.
Yeah.
सो इवन इफ हम लोग में बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार भी होता है एट टाइम्स बट स्टिल वो इतना ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाता है कि अरे बट दिस थिंग ऑफ माई पार्टनर ना इट अनॉइजेज मी सो मच, तो वो थोड़ा सा पता नहीं चलता उस चीज़ को हैंडल कैसे करें. सो या वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दिस टुडे.
Right.
सो स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, ignoring your partner's needs.
Right.
So this is one thing that we all do at times when the partner needs us a lot. And
Very
the
important point.
the
to
partner
raise.
is very vulnerable at times. The partner
Yes.
is like, अरे you know what, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, you know उसने ऐसा बोला, and the partner is like, अरे तो क्या हुआ, अरे उसने इतना,
And that pisses us
I
so
know,
much.
I
It is
mean-
like इतना गुस्सा आता है उस समय. Come on, at least hear me out.
Exactly. Just don't cut me in between. Don't interfere. Just listen to me at times. Don't interrupt. I'm feeling this way. अरे इसमें इतना क्या सोचना है? तुम बहुत ज़्यादा seriously नहीं ले रही हो इस चीज़ को. And it's like just listen to me.
Correct.
You know, just don't diss my emotions. And or sometimes I need my partner to hug me physically. Or when it comes to sex also, it at times you just feel like being intimate with your partner, but वो नहीं होता है.
So what I understand here, Shravya, is needs are on various levels. Maybe an emotional need, maybe a physical need, or maybe a psychological need.
Correct.
So all of these are to be met.
Right.
So here I would also like to say the next point, wherein two people are very different. You have different emotional quotient, you have different physical needs, you have different psychological needs. Somebody can be very very emotional, somebody cannot be. Somebody would need a physical touch, and somebody may
Correct.
not, right?
Correct.
So the point is to respect the other person and to not to dismiss the needs.
Correct.
Right?
Absolutely.
And to acknowledge and accept the person the way he or she is. Normally मैंने ऐसा देखा है श्रव्या, ये चीज़ तभी होती है, like normally, I'm not saying I'm not a sexist or something, or I'm not being gender biased, but females are more emotional.
Right.
And males are usually more practical in that sense.
Right. They're
So-
strong-headed more and headroom.
Yeah, so it is very common. It is very, and all of us would have gone through that once in our lifetimes, maybe. So, so not to dismiss the need and not to ignore is the key point, basically.
Like men have this thing called the Mr. Fix-It hat. And it's just ki if I am discussing a problem, like I'm so stressed at my work, it's really getting into my nerves now, every day the same routine. Why don't you leave the job? You don't need to work. अरे मुझे solution नहीं चाहिए, मुझे उस time पे बस चाहिए कि आप सुनो मेरी बात.
Yeah.
That's it. I don't need any solutions, I don't need any fixing in my problem. I
Correct.
just need to be heard. So I think this is one thing that the partners do, and that's when they get really wrong.
Yeah, so let's avoid that fix it
And not dismissing
attitude.
the partner.
Yeah.
So that's one thing. The another thing that I would like to add to this is monotonous communication. Whether आपका relationship 6 महीने पुराना है, 6 साल पुराना है, या 50 साल पुराना है, एक टाइम आ जाता है रिलेशनशिप में जब आप आपके पास कोई टॉपिक नहीं बचता
Exactly,
बात
exactly.
करने के लिए।
और मुझे लगता है आजकल ये टाइम तो बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है,
बहुत ज़्यादा
विद इन अ कपल ऑफ मंथ्स ऐसा टाइम आ जाता है
कि अरे वी नो सो मच अबाउट ईच अदर कि अभी एक्स्ट्रा क्या पता नहीं क्या जानना है, क्या ही बोलना है। तो ऐसा नहीं करते हुए जस्ट मेक योर लाइफ एक्साइटिंग, यू नो, टेक आउट टाइम फॉर ईच अदर, डू समथिंग टुगेदर।
Yeah, इस पे I have a question here, Shravya. Tell us various options. What can we do exactly? See, it's very easy to say कि monotonous नहीं होना चाहिए
Correct.
communication, and we should have that spark in a relationship.
Right.
But exactly क्या करें? If you can just pinpoint a couple of points.
So like doing activities together,
Mm-hmm.
going out, hosting parties together, और planning, जैसे अगर मैं और मेरा पार्टनर है तो मैं कभी उसके फ्रेंड्स के साथ कभी आउटिंग प्लान करूँ, कभी वो मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ आउटिंग प्लान करे, या हम कोई एक्टिविटी साथ में करें कि अच्छा चलो आज कुछ कुकिंग में इफ़ माय पार्टनर इज़ इंटरेस्टेड तो चलो आज कुछ साथ में मिलके बनाते हैं, या कहीं कुछ
Interesting.
हाँ, या कहीं कुछ शॉपिंग करने चले गए, चलो घर के लिए चीज़ लानी है तो हम साथ में कोई बैठ के डिस्कस करें, या नॉर्मल चीज़ें जैसे हफ्ते में एक बार just take out time for each other and just discuss how the life has been, apart from your children, apart from your work, just talk about each other.
Yes, that's very important. A heart-to-heart conversation.
Correct. आपके साथ क्या चल रहा है आपकी लाइफ में,
Totally.
कैसे चल रहा है, is everything okay, how are you balancing things, is your mental health fine, ये सारी चीज़ें
And normally we don't open up so easily, right?
Correct.
That is a taboo. Like, you know, even if the office में you've been not exactly fired, but there has been a situation where you were let down or something.
correct,
You know, we'll feel that the other person will judge me, and you know, I will be judged, and this will be
Maybe
taken in a
judged.
negative stride.
Correct.
So the more we open up, the more we kind of talk, and the more we stop.
एट टाइम्स मैंने ये सुना है कि ना मैं बताना लाइक जब बहुत पानी सर के ऊपर से चला जाता है उसके बाद इट्स लाइक अरे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया, आई डिड नॉट वांट टू स्ट्रेस यू, इट्स नॉट अबाउट स्ट्रेसिंग योर पार्टनर, इट्स अबाउट शेयरिंग कि एग्जैक्टली आपकी क्या नीड है एंड व्हाट यू आर फीलिंग, और इट्स ओके टू बी वल्नरेबल विद योर पार्टनर। दैट इज़ वन थिंग दैट इज़ वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट। आपने जब उस रिलेशनशिप में कमिट किया, दैट मीन्स कि आपको उस रिलेशनशिप में रहना था, आपको उस पर्सन के साथ आप वो बॉन्ड शेयर करना चाहते थे, एंड नॉट ओनली द गुड टाइम्स बट वो सैड पार्ट्स भी, कि व्हेन यू आर रियली स्ट्रेस्ड एंड व्हेन यू जस्ट नीड समवन टू जस्ट हग यू इमोशनली, दैट्स व्हेन योर पार्टनर कम्स इनटू द पिक्चर, एंड आई फील कि वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है अपने पार्टनर के साथ वो टू शेयर अ सेफ
Have a
स्पेस
good
विद
sharing, and you know, have that kind of a safe space
with your partner. So I think monotonous communication avoid करें, and जितना एक दूसरे के बारे में एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें जानें एक दूसरे के बारे में, that is something where you discover your partner more. I feel कि हाँ I know everything about my partner, but चलो you knew your partner कितने, चलो पकड़ लेते 25 साल हो गए शादी को, तो 25 साल पहले आप जान चुके हो इतने साल में आपका पार्टनर कैसा है, बट इन 25 सालों में कुछ चीज़ें डेफिनेटली बदल
जाती हैं,
Where it
प्रायोरिटीज
comes to-
बदल जाती
Correct.
हैं, थॉट प्रोसेस
Thought
बदल
process,
जाता है,
perspective
पर्सपेक्टिव नजरिया बदल जाता है।
करेक्ट। तो ये सारी चीज़ें भी बहुत बदलती हैं। तो इन इतने सारे सालों में, इतने सारे महीनों में क्या क्या चेंजेस हुए लाइफ में, स्पेशली अभी तो लॉकडाउन आया था,
एग्जैक्टली।
तो बहुत सारे रिलेशनशिप्स में बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए हैं। किसी का रिलेशनशिप माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा हुआ, किसी का थोड़ा सा डिसबैलेंस हो गया, तो अब उसको रेक्टिफाई करने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं। सो दैट इज़ वन पॉइंट दैट आई रियली फील कि डिस्कस होना चाहिए, एंड एवरी वीक जस्ट मेक इट अ पॉइंट दैट यू सिट विथ योर पार्टनर एंड जस्ट बी विथ योर पार्टनर and just discuss things.
This gets me to the next point which we have for you guys. I hope you're all listening. Give me a hi. So this comes to the next point, you know, setting the expectations.
Okay.
Because क्या होता है ना, as you mentioned correctly that 25 साल पहले कुछ और हो सकता है, पर्सपेक्टिव बदल सकता है. Right now the things are different, people change, situations change and all of that. So this gets me to the next point wherein, you know, it is very important to have the expectations set clearly wherein what the other person expects from you,
Absolutely.
and if you're a married couple, what the person expects from the parents, what is it that you should do and what is it that you should not do.
Correct.
You know, because that's very important, rather than actually revealing it once the actual situation comes. Tabhi it gets a tip, right?
Correct.
It normally, it's a
Or
human
फिर blame
tendency.
game.
फिर
और
blame
blame
game
game
चालू
शुरू
हो
हो
जाता है. When
जाता
it is a tiff, it becomes a blame game.
Correct.
So it is very important, according to me, to have it set that this is something which is negotiable. You know, say supposedly somebody smokes. Okay, so if a girl doesn't approve of it 100%, you can negotiate and you can say, okay, this is something which is negotiable, but this is something which I cannot accept at all. So then the
Correct.
partner knows that this is yes, this is no, and this is somewhere in between, which is a little negotiable.
Right.
Then
Walking
I think,
halfway.
yeah, walking halfway. You come halfway, I come halfway, and then
Correct.
it's a kind of a middle path. Then I
Right.
think it is very clear for both the party, for both the people to know कि क्या करना चाहिए, and we will not blame the other person because you take the onus.
Correct.
And when you take the responsibility, you take the onus, then it becomes very easy to sail the boat.
एंड ब्लेम गेम जब आता है तब आई बिलीव कि मोर देन यू स्टेटमेंट्स कि यू डिड दिस, यू डिड दैट, यू नेवर डू दिस,
हाँ.
उसकी जगह पे अगर ये बताओ कि व्हाट आई फील व्हेन यू डू समथिंग्स, कि फॉर एग्जांपल you never call my mother on her birthday, like she loves you so much and she always asks about you, but तुम कभी भी कॉल नहीं करते. Now the partner will be like, अच्छा तुम कौन सा मेरी मम्मी को रोज कॉल करती हो, तुम कौन सा ये करती हो, लाइक कॉन्स्टेंटली ये चल रहा होता है. उसके जगह पे अगर ये हुआ कि यू नो व्हाट, आई रियली फील सैड व्हेन यू डोंट कॉल माय मदर ऑन हर बर्थडे,
So it's like I feel this.
आई फील दिस.
So it is more to do with me, not about my mother. It is about me. I am your partner, and I
Right.
don't feel happy.
I
with
don't feel happy,
whatever is
and I feel upset when you do something like this.
Hmm.
So it's not about blaming the partner, but it's more about expressing your own needs when it comes to certain situations, expressing what I feel when this happens. So I think that's very important. That
Very
brings
much.
me to the last point, which is very rightly you mentioned, setting boundaries.
Yes, and you remember we had a
Yes,
last
we
topic
have-
on setting boundaries.
we
The
have-
link to which is down.
Yes,
Yeah.
and we will be putting it in the description below.
Correct.
Please check out that link. We had an entire discussion on setting boundaries in healthy relationships. So boundaries, yes, they are very, very necessary when it comes to relationships. It is very important because what I approve of things in terms of my understanding, my perspectives, my partner may not.
May not agree. Right.
बहुत सिंपल आजकल चीज़ हो गई है पार्टनर का फ़ोन चेक करना. लाइक हर लड़की करना चाहती है या हर लड़का करना चाहता है. एंड इफ सपोज मेरा पार्टनर है और मैं नहीं कंफर्टेबल हूँ, बट आई डोंट वांट टू अपसेट माय पार्टनर, तो मैं बोलूँगी अच्छा ठीक है चलो ही इज़ हैप्पी ना, कम से कम कलेश तो नहीं हो रहा है, कम से कम झगड़ा तो नहीं हो रहा है. बट आई एम नॉट ओके विथ you know giving my phone to my partner or he knowing my social media passwords, and even though I have nothing to hide, but still वो हो जाता है ना, हाँ इतना क्या छुपाने का है कि तुमको नहीं देना अपना. It's not about, it's my private space.
It is like a setting a boundary around
Correct.
me. This is my space.
It's my
and
space.
Outside that is our space.
Correct.
Right.
No one invades a particular boundary.
Personal.
अगर सपोज मुझे नहीं पसंद कि मुझे
And you know, this reminds me, I remember certain cases wherein, you know, if the other person, the other partner, they become very offensive. अरे मुझसे क्यों छुपाया, या मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया, you know, हम तो एक ही couple हैं, why can't I have his password, why can't I have his details?
Correct.
So it's like, you know, kind of it becomes more to do with your maybe ego, or maybe a sense of you know, not being accepted by the other person.
Correct.
So that can also become a part of a discussion, the thing that we spoke earlier about communication, not making it very monotonous. So that can also become a part of a communication which you can have on a weekly
Definitely, yes.
basis or
Definitely,
on a monthly basis, and revise those checklists. basically.
Absolutely right. So yeah, these were some of the things. Just
Great.
अगर हम वापस एक बार
रिवाइज कर लेते हैं, ठीक है.
So yeah, the first thing that we started was with ignoring your partner's needs. Never ever do that. Please listen to your partner, and when the partner is very vulnerable, just lend them an ear, and just listen to them. एडवाइस नहीं चाहिए है, या कोई सलाह नहीं चाहिए उस टाइम पे, या कोई कमेंट भी नहीं चाहिए.
Just support.
Correct.
Yeah.
Just a shoulder to lean on.
Correct.
You know, I feel this, and the partner saying, I understand, and it's okay, you'll be fine. That's enough. Second was dismissing your partner's feelings. Like the earlier point, when I feel something, just don't comment something like, अरे इसमें इतना
इसमें
क्या
क्या हो
सोचना
गया
है,
इतना रोने का, और इसमें क्या बड़ी बात हो गई.
correct,
You know,
you're overthinking.
Yeah.
or just be in the moment, or go with the flow. अभी इतना क्यों आगे का सोच रही हूँ? Don't say these statements. It's really bugging for the partner, so don't use these statements. The third thing is monotonous communication, like we discussed. Please make your conversations exciting. You can add some things like, oh, वो वाली friend का क्या हुआ? You haven't met this person for a long time. Why don't we go on this weekend to their place? And why don't we, or have
anything
a video
that's
chat or
got to do
something like
with
that.
your partner's preference, their social
Right.
circle, their family life,
Correct.
their anything to do with them.
Maybe you guys can plan out, like if your partner loves any kind of sports, so ऐसा हो सकता है कि हाँ वो गेम है ना, like let's watch this cricket match together, which is when is the next match, I would like to sit with you. So now the partner knows that my partner is interested
And a
in
woman
my
saying
life.
this about cricket, the guy should understand that she's really
Really
making an effort.
correct.
You know, because
So normally ये होता नहीं है. So yeah, make such small efforts for your partner and don't make it monotonous. Yeah, I mean, you कितने भी साल हुए होंगे relationship को, but still the relationship has to feel young. I feel. And तुम दोनों तो सेम ही हो, आप दोनों तो वही सेम हो, भले कितने भी टाइम से रिलेशनशिप चल रहा है, but you guys are still in love with each other. Show it in these things. Then the next thing comes setting expectations correct with your partner. Communicate it well and stop the blame game.
yes,
More than
very important.
You did this and you did that. Start using statements like I feel
Yes.
when I feel so and so when you do this and this, so that the part, क्योंकि मुद्दा बहुत important है समझना. आप जब यू स्टेटमेंट देते हो तो पार्टनर डिफेंसिव हो जाएगा और वो हो जाएगा कि ये मुझे ब्लेम कर रही है, मुझे अक्यूज कर रही है.
Exactly.
तो फिर वो आर्ग्यूमेंट में तब्दील हो जाएगा.
And you know, a small thing becomes such a big
Correct.
क्या
राई
बोलते
का
हैं उसको,
पहाड़.
mountain of a mole.
हाँ
you know, something of that
राई का
sort.
पहाड़ बनाना, और उसकी ज़रूरत होती भी नहीं है. एट टाइम्स बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि हाँ बस बोल दिया हो गया, बट स्टिल सो एक्सपेक्टेशंस राइट सेट करके एक दूसरे के साथ प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Exactly.
एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट आई स्टेटमेंट्स यूज़ करो और यू स्टेटमेंट्स थोड़े कम यूज़ करो.
And the last point is
please
the
go
favorite one, setting our boundaries. Everyone is having a personal boundary. You may not want to share for certain things. You don't have to get offensive. It is a personal thing. Somebody will have, somebody may not have, somebody may have a bigger boundary, somebody may have a smaller boundary. So the other person should not become defensive about it. So this completes our 5 points on the to-do list of what to not to do in relationships.
I hope
it
you
was
all, I hope you all enjoyed the session.
yeah, same
And
here. And we meet again.
yes, and please let us know in the comment section below if you want us to discuss any other topics that you would want us to discuss, like in relationships or any other
Or maybe
topics.
anything else that you want us to discuss. Let us know.
We are
all
both
there.
mental health professionals, so we would really like to help you out with any other insights. If you feel like discussing, if you feel like asking us anything more about this topic, please feel free to reach out to us. My user ID is Shravya Kumar, and this is
My
Aarti
page
Chawla.
is Journey Within by Aarti, and you can contact us anytime and we are there for you. Thank
Yes.
you so much. Bye.
Bye.